Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step how to download the 1xBet app in countries where it is restricted. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details and in the promo code section enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. A lot of people face issues when searching for it in the App Store, so make sure you watch carefully and follow along till the end. First, open the App Store and in the search bar type 1xBet. Now, as you scroll down, you'll notice that the 1xBet app doesn't appear anywhere. This is because of the restrictions in your country. But don't worry, there's a simple way to fix this. All you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the App Store and then go to Account Settings. Here, you'll be asked to agree to a few changes. After that, you need to change your country and address. This step is very important, so make sure to enter everything exactly as I show you. Even one wrong detail can stop this method from working, so be very careful here. Once you've updated your account details and saved the changes, go back to the App Store. Now, when you search for 1xBet, you'll finally see the app available to download. From here, just install it as you normally would, and that's it. You now have the 1xBet app downloaded and ready to use even if it wasn't showing up before. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.